Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial I will be showing you how to assemble PC, how to connect each and every component of computer system in the motherboard, and after that I will be showing you how to connect computer and start computer without CPU case, and after completing that I will be showing you how to connect each and everything in CPU case also, and how to assemble the PC and by troubleshooting each and every pin. I will explain in very easiest way. So if you are new, if you want to learn how to assemble, this is the perfect video for you. Just watch till the end. Video will be a little bit large, but you will understand each and everything very clearly. So let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, these are the components. We have here RAM, random access memory. We have this SMPS power supply unit. We have this SATA cable to connect hard drive in motherboard, and we have here hard disks which store the data and information for further use, and we have this CPU fan to make computer or processor cool. And then now let's start by doing this, removing microprocessor from this microprocessor slot and then connecting back it again. So this is very much tricky, and you should be very much careful about connecting microprocessor. So to remove microprocessor from the slot, you have this lock here. Just open it in this way, and then this. To remove this, just hold it in this way. Look at here. Hold this microprocessor in this way and just remove it very carefully, because each and every pin of this microprocessor is important. Each and every pin from here also and here also. Now after removing, you can see this is microprocessor. While connecting it again, you have this one pin over here. Hold this microprocessor in this way. Now to connect it, look at this. There is one arrow over here. You need to keep the microprocessor this side, and then you need to connect in this way. Just keep it very slowly and perfectly. So this is attached over here now. You can just press it little bit only, and then close this. After closing that, you need to lock this up. Now microprocessor is attached in microprocessor gates. This is the brain of the computer system. Okay, now let's connect hard drive, hard disks in the motherboard. So we have this SATA cable over here to connect hard drive. Let me show you how to do that. So over here you can see this is the small pin where you can connect this cable. So it is very simple. You can connect in this way. If it is not adjusting, you can just remove and turn it back. It's simple, very simple. Look at here. In this way you need to connect this hard drive. So it is connected. Now the another side of the pin, this one, you need to connect here. It is written here SATA 1, SATA 2 also. You can read, and then you can connect in this way. It is very much simple. We have two slots for hard drive, so you can connect two hard drive in the motherboard. Okay, this is connected now. Now another pin for hard drive is power supply. So as you can see here, this is SMPS power supply unit. From here you need to connect one cable in the hard drive. So let me show you which one is that. This one. This is the one which you should connect in the hard drive to provide power supply to hard drive. Let me hold this here. Now you can see there is another pin over here to connect a hard drive. This one. So let me insert this pin over here. It's also very much easy. Now you can see is hard drive is also connected. Now connecting other cables from SMPS to motherboard. There are two pins important which we should connect in the motherboard. Now the first pin is this one, the large one. This is for power supply. As you can see over here, you need to connect it over here in this way. this is connected. This is power supply from SMPS power supply unit to the motherboard. Now the next thing is we have one pin, 4 pins connection. You can see this one. So we need to connect this also in the motherboard. To do that, we have here 4 pins. Where it is? Okay, let me find it out. 4 pin connection is available here, this side, you can see. So we need to connect it here. Okay, this is locked. So these are the only connection from SMPS to the motherboard. Okay, so last component is left, that is connecting this CPU fan just above the microprocessor slot. So this is used to cool this microprocessor, cooling system for microprocessor. To connect this fan, we have this one connection. You need to keep this just back of the microprocessor. You can see there are 4 pins available here. In the back side also I will show you. You can see these 4 pins, 1, 2, 3 and 4 pins. So you need to keep this in such a way so it will fit over here. Now this is adjusted. Now we can keep this down. After keeping it down, you can see these are the pins available here to connect this fan. And we have this 3-pin cable from fan, CPU fan. We need to connect it over here. You can see the slot. So to adjust that properly, I will keep in this way. In the 4th pin, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is adjusted now. So after each and every pins connected, we need to power this SMPS and then monitor. To power that, we have this power cable, and then for the video signal we have this VGA cable. So let me connect it very quickly. So in the SMPS you can see we need to connect this cable to give a power supply to the SMPS, and then after that we need to power this monitor also. So this is monitor and here is the pin. So let me connect it. After that we need to connect VGA cable also in the monitor to provide a video connection or display. So let me connect it. So this is also connected. Now another part of this VGA cable, we need to connect to CPU. We have directly connected everything in the motherboard. So let me connect this VGA cable in the motherboard itself. So here is the motherboard and here is the pin for VGA cable. So let me connect this here. So this is also connected. Now keyboard also, let me connect this keyboard also. Why I am connecting keyboard, let me explain you after a few minutes. Let me connect this keyboard in this USB slot, you can see over here. Okay, now done. So VGA cable is also connected and power cable is also connected. Now to start the computer without CPU box, without power button, we have here F panel written here in the motherboard, you can see, and F panel pins are available here. In different motherboard, different types of pins are available, but you can see this is F panel or F panel 2, you can see F panel, and over here you can see on off is written here. Little bit zoom it. So we need to sort these 2 pins, the last 2 pins over here. Now CPU fan is on, you can see, and computer is finally turning on. One thing you need to remember while assembling computer system, when you start the computer, you need to check For this you can see here numlock button is on. So numlock button is on, and you can see screen also. The screen is turned on. So it is saying press F2 button to load default. So I'll press F2 button from the keyboard. Then computer is finally turned on. So yeah, Windows starting. So this is the process how you should do. So to turn it off, again the same pin we need to slot 2 pins over here. So look at the monitor, this is starting down. So in this way it works.